Hey guys, welcome to Lucknow Education. In this video, we are going to talk about binary octal conversion. Let's go on. First, let us get to know about the octal to binary conversion. These are the simple steps that you can follow. To convert octal to binary, starting by writing down the octal number. Then, convert each octal digit into its corresponding 3-bit binary equivalent. Finally, combine all the binary groups together to form the complete binary number. For an example, if we take octal number 237, the digit 2 converts to 0, 1, 0, 3 to 0, 1, 1, and 7 to 1, 1, 1. Combining these gives us 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And now let us learn about the binary to octal conversion. This is the simplest step that you can follow. For binary to octal conversion, beginning by grouping the binary digits into set of 3 starting from the right side. If necessary, add leading zeros to make complete groups, then convert each group into its octal equivalent. For example, the binary number 110101111 can be grouped as 110, 101 and 111. These groups converts to 6, 5 and 7 respectively in octal. Combining them give the final octal number 657. In this part, we are going to learn how to convert an octal number with an octal point to binary number. These are the simple steps that you can follow. When converting an octal number with an octal point to binary, first separate the number into its whole and fractional parts. Convert the whole part as usual by translating each octal digit to binary number. Then do the same for the fractional part. Combine the two results, keeping the point in its place. For example, with 7.25 in octal, the whole part is 7 and it becomes 111 in binary. For the fractional part, that is 2, 5, 2 becomes 010 and 5 becomes 101. Combining them gives 111.010101. Lastly, we are going to learn how to convert a binary number with binary point to octal. These are the steps that you can follow. To convert a binary number with a binary point to octal, first split it into its whole and fractional parts. For the whole part, group the digits into sets of 3 from right, adding leading zeros if needed. For the fractional part, group digits into sets of 3 from left, adding trailing zeros as needed. And then convert each group to its octal equivalent. And now let us see an example. For example, the binary number 1101.011 becomes 001, one group, another group is 101. When we go to the fractional part, 011 is a one group and 100 is another group. Here you have to add trailing zeros as well as leading zeros. And now these groups converted into 1, 5.3 and 4 respectively in octal, resulting in 15.35 in octal. So guys, the key to mastering to binary to octal conversion is practice. Always use 3-bit rules and double check your groupings, right? starting with simple numbers, then gradually work on more complex examples. With regular practice, you'll be able to convert like a pro in no time. So thanks so much for watching.